Howdy peeps, I'm Professor Curtis of Aspire Mountain Academy, here with a little project update. So I was going through comments this last weekend from people who were putting stuff up with my videos I post on the YouTube channel and the website, more so on the YouTube channel. And I was just feeling the pain that's out there with you people taking these stats courses from instructors that just aren't giving you what they should be giving you. And that's part of the reason why I started Aspire Mountain Academy, is I wanted to help alleviate the pain. And I know that pain. It's the pain that I've had with my own students who've come and expressed to me frustration when I first started teaching stats. And I tried to develop resources to help my students. And some of those resources you've been seeing there on the website and on the YouTube channel where I'm posting these homework help videos. I'm also in the process right now of making lecture videos to go with the homework help videos, so you understand more comprehensively the math background that goes in behind the working of the homework problems, so you have a richer understanding of what it is that you're doing. Those lecture videos, unfortunately, I had planned to have them ready by the start of this calendar year, so they should have been ready January 2020, but events conspired against me and I wasn't able to adapt to certain things as well as I thought, and there's a whole long story with that. I'm not going to get into that right now. Long story short, I'm only through about chapter 3 right now, so I really can't help you as far as like lecture stuff. I don't have the time for tutoring, and if I did, I'd be charging some outrageous rate to make it worth my while, that most of you you're not going to pay that. So, I could help a little people who might be willing to pay a ridiculous rate, or I could spend my time working on resources that help lots more people. And so I was thinking this weekend, after reading all these comments and hearing about okay, there's pain out there. What can I do to help alleviate the pain? I have limited resources. I have limited time. Coming into the term, it's crunch time for me as well, peeps. So what can I do with the limited resources that I have, especially limited time? And the answer that I've come up with is, well, I can increase the frequency at which I'm releasing these homework help videos. So what I've decided to do is, for the rest of this week and for most of next week, I'm going to be releasing one new homework help video a day. I wish I could do more. I really do. But unfortunately, that's the limitations that I'm working in right now. So what I'd like you to do is, if there's one homework problem that you would like help with, you could just choose one. Take the problem ID number for that problem that you find up in the upper left-hand corner of your screen when you're working your problems. There's an ID number there. Put that ID number in a comment below this video, and then I'll go through all the comments and use your feedback to decide, which videos I'm going to be posting for the rest of this week and also for next week. So, again, I wish I could do more for you, but, I want to do what I can to help alleviate your pain, and hopefully this provides you with some help. And from the comments that I'm seeing that have already been posted on these videos, a lot of you are finding the resources that I'm posting very helpful, and that's just to help to know, because again, I started Aspire Mountain Academy. Part of the reason why I did it was to help alleviate pain that you have. So if I can help to do that, then that just makes me feel good, and that just makes what I do worthwhile. It doesn't pay the rent, which is why my time is limited, but that's a whole other story. So go ahead and leave in the comments below the one problem that you would like me to work for you for the end of this semester. And I think the first one I'm going to do, I was actually surprised to see this. Some of the students are like, "Hey man, here's your stuff for 11-2." And I was like, "What are you talking about?" And then I went and looked, and it's like, sure enough, I have not posted anything for 11-2. So the first one I'm going to post, and I think I'll see if I can fit it in tonight, I'm going to post in video for 11-2 to get that ball rolling. And then, if there's one problem that you would like me to see work, I'll make a video of it if enough people get together and say, yeah, this is the one that we really want you to get help with. So go ahead and leave that in the comments below. And if there's any other feedback that you want to provide, then of course, go ahead and make a comment with that too. And hopefully this provides some help for you. So until next time, this is Professor Curtis of Aspire Mountain Academy wishing you all the best. Take care.